I tried to hold it back, keep it nice and neat, but love don't listen when your heart skips a beat. You smiled once and it filled my soul. Now I'm drowning in this love overflow. I build my walls, baby, strong and high, but your touch ran through like a wind through the sky. Every kiss lit a fire down below. Now I'm burning in this love overflow. It's running wild, it's pouring free, like a river breaking loose inside of me. No rules, no rhyme, just a steady flow. I can't stop this love overflow. Lucille cries alone, she feels it too. Every bend she bends is crying for you. A sound too full to ever be slow. That's what you get with love overflow. I didn't mean to love this deep, but baby, some feelings don't keep. It's spilling out, it's got no end. Can't be bottled, can't pretend. You open me up now 100 lips and feel nothing. But one kiss from the right one burns forever.
No promises, just a little time. No hearts involved, no yours and mine. Just two lonely souls trying not to fall. But we broke our rules, we broke them all. We kept it simple, no strings to tie. But every laugh held a little lie. You brushed my hand, I felt it in my chest. Now I can't sleep, can't get no rest. We said no promises, but here we are, counting wishes on a broken star. You touched my soul, now it won't forget. We said no promises, but we made one, yeah. Now you're leaving, taking all the air, trying to act like there was nothing there. But Lucille don't lie, she's playing low, the kind of blues only true hearts know. Like love when you let it go. With no promises and one big mess. tried to play it safe, take it slow, count the steps, take love real low. But you came in like a wild, sweet dove, taught me fast, there's no rules in love.
Tried to hold back, tried to keep cool, but my heart ain't never been good at rules. You broke the lines I was thinking of, showed me clear, there's no rules in love.
No rules in love, no maps to read, no promises small, no quiet need.
Just fire and truth and stars above.
Oh, you can't draw lines, not in love.
Loose sail don't follow no plan or chart. She plays what's written deep in my heart. She cries when it's real, she don't bluff. She knows, baby, there's no rules in love.
No rules in love, no maps to read, no promises small, no quiet need.
Just fire and truth and stars above.
Oh, you can't draw lines,
Not in love.
but don't get to choose who or when. Love just walks in and stays uninvited. No rules in love, just give and take.
No clean lines, no hearts that fake.
When it's right, it fits like a glove.
And when it hurts,
It still feels like love. So I gave in, didn't even shove. 'Cause with you I learned there's no rules in love. I gave you my heart, I gave you my time, but somewhere down the road you slipped away from mine. Now I'm sitting here alone with nothing to see, just waiting on the day you'll come back to me. The nights get long, the days move slow. I hear your voice in every place I go. Lucille singing the blues, just like she should. But all I want is to feel your love for good. Come right back to me, baby, I need you so. I can't find my way without you, don't you know? The love we had, it's all I need. Come right back to me, set my heart free. I've seen the world, tried to run
my heart stays with you. It won't stray. Lucille hums a tune of love and pain, and I can't help but call out your name. We've both been hurt, we've both been torn, but baby I'm here, my love still warm. No more games, no more fighting to be. Just come right back and you'll see. Come right back to me, baby, I need you so. I can't find my way without you, don't you know? The love we had, it's all I need. Come right back to me, set my heart free. If you come right back to me, Lucille will sing, and my heart will beat.
Did you go? I turned around, you left slow. No slamming door, no angry sound, just silence falling all around. Held you close, or so I thought, but you slipped through like dreams I bought. Now my nights just drift above the empty space of dear sweet love. Oh dear love, you were kind and cruel. You played my heart, broke every rule. Still I take you
pain runs deep. She don't sing loud, she just weeps. Your ghost still hums when I rise above the silent shape by oh dear love. You don't forget the love that knew your name. Even when it walks away. Oh dear love, I wear your name in every song, in every flame. And if I never rise above, at least I live for dear, dear love. So I'll play on in the ache thereof, forever haunted by oh dear love.
You walk away, didn't say a word, just the sound of your silence, the coldest I've heard. Lucille tried to comfort me, but she understood. This time you're not coming back, you're gone for good. We've danced this dance time and again, but something about tonight felt like the end. Your shadow's gone, your perfume's gone too, but the blues you left still stick like glue. Gone for good, that's what you said. No more dreams, just an empty bed. I begged, I cried, did all I could, but now I know, baby, you're gone for good. I looked in your eyes, saw nothing left, like the love died a quiet, peaceful death. Lucille plays low, like she don't wanna scream, but I hear the pain in every string. Maybe someday I'll find my peace, but tonight these tears won't cease. You left your ghost where our love once stood, and now I'm here, and you're gone for good. 'cause you're gone for good. Lucille don't sing like she used to do, 'cause she feels it too. You're gone for good.
To my life like a sweet surprise, lit up the dark with those heaven-sent eyes. I didn't know love could feel so right till you held me close in the still of the night. But good things fade like the setting sun, and we both knew when our time was done. Still I'd trade the pain for another chance. Just one more moment, one more dance. You were the best I ever had, through the good, through the bad. Even now with the heart gone sad, you were the best I ever had. I hear your laugh in the midnight air. I reach for you, but you're not there. Lucille cries soft like she understands what it means to lose the touch of your hand. Some loves come easy, some loves don't last. Ours was a fire that burned so fast, but I carry you deep in every song. A love that's gone, but never gone. Sad. And if love comes knocking again someday, I'll still remember you this way. So here's to you and all we were, the best I ever had. Of that I'm sure.
I gave you my laughter, gave you my trust, held on to love till it turned into dust. Every kiss I thought was a game, but looking back now, it was all just pain. No lessons, no flame, nights I beg the rain to say your name. Every hug felt like change. What I thought was love was all just pain. You smile like heaven, but you cut like truth. Took every soft part and made it bruise. I wrote you a song, you rewrote the game. Now my guitar cries and it all sounds the same. All just pain. Not even the blues remain. Lucille won't lie, she don't play shame. Just frets and strings that call your name and say it was all just pain. I don't hate you, but I can't pretend that this road was love from end to end. Some folks leave light, you left a stain. So don't come back, don't ask why I left. You stole the best and left me bereft. No rose, no flame, no refrain. What we call love was all just pain, all just pain. I won't sing it again. No encore, no sweet refrain. Just a man, a chair, and Lucy's chain reminding me it was all just pain.
Mama worked night, Daddy was gone. I learned to fight pain just to carry on. Ain't no toys, no room to play, just bills and silence at the end of the day. I grew up too soon, chased manhood under a broken moon. No bedtime stories, just the evening news. No hand to hold, just these old blues. Yeah, life came fast and left no room. I grew up too soon. Lucille knew me back when I was 10, plucking pain like I was born a grown man. Didn't know joy, didn't learn fear, just learned to fake smiles and disappear. I grew up too soon, left my boyhood in a forgotten tune. Yeah, the years went fast, like a sad old tune. I grew up too soon. Now folks say I'm strong, say I got grit, but they don't know what I had to quit to be a man before your time. You lose the laughter, but you keep the climb. Lucille plays a soulful solo full of ache, like a boy whispering into the dark, asking questions no one ever answered. She bends slow, as if time itself is folding in. Now I rock slow in this worn out chair, gray in my beard, but pain's still there. If I could hold that kid I used to be, I'd say, son, you deserve to be free. I grew up too soon, learned the blues from an empty room. Ain't no medals, no silver spoon, just scars and songs and a hard-earned tune. And this old soul still hums that true. I grew up too soon. Lucille fades like the voice of a child who never got to cry. Low, honest, and too damn real. But you stayed on the phone, talked about nothing, like you were already gone. I heard the goodbye between every word you used. You never had to say it. You kissed me that morning, but your hands felt cold. You smiled like summer, but your eyes looked old. I tried to believe, but the truth came through. Even with your lips on mine, I already knew. I already knew when you looked away. I felt it coming, but I let you stay. You didn't have to say we were through. I already knew. Lucille's been quiet. She don't play the same. She knows the notes, but they don't call your name. She bends like she's trying to hold on to, but she felt it, baby. She already knew. Some goodbyes ain't loud, they just stop showing up. You didn't walk out, you just stopped showing